Hi traders! In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to check whether your Forex VPS is online using the simple and powerful ping command. Let's get started. First, log into your VPS. Then, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run window. Type CMD in the box and press Enter or click OK. This will open the command prompt window. Once the command prompt is open, type the following command: c:\users:\chand greater than ping, then followed by the IP address of your Forex VPS. Press Enter to run the command. Now let's break down what the result means. Reply from IP address. This means your VPS is online and responding properly. Time equals XX milliseconds. This shows the response time from the server in milliseconds. The lower the number, the better the connection. Packets sent / received. If you see 0% packet loss, it means your connection is stable. Request timed out. This indicates that your VPS is not responding. It could be due to a network issue or the VPS being offline. This method is a quick and effective way to monitor your VPS connection health anytime you need it. And that's it. Easy, right? Good luck and happy monitoring! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.